Hello again, everybody. I have a Magnum S-45 tune-up report for you today. This is for Caesar here in Florida with us. Let's check it out up here, Caesar. I've got 30 watts dialed up across the bottom scale there. 10, 20, and 30. We're going to be coming in right around there. About 17, 18 watts. 17 maybe. And now I'm going to put it on a 10 watt scale. Then turn the power all the way down. Where's the power? See, it goes down to about 1.5 watts. Now over here, 100 watt slug, we'll be reading power on the bottom scale. There's 60 and there's 80.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
And let's check out the sideband mode. Turn this down. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Okay. Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, driver. Thank you.